America is in an anxious mood. Have you wondered or worried about your financial plan? Then let us be your guides. Welcome to First Take, a podcast designed with you in mind. With expert analysis and conversation, our team at West Michigan Advisors will take complicated financial concepts and convert them into easy-to-understand next steps. Thank you for joining us at First Take. Let's get learning.
Hey everybody, Matt Hogue here with West Michigan Advisors, one of the many trusted and talented financial advisors here at West Michigan Advisors, here to drop some knowledge on you about timeless investment principles. So this might seem weird to you guys, but according to Business Insider, 42% of people are still storing some sort of cash in their mattress. I know, sounds like something that my grandfather would do, but apparently it's still happening. And not only is this maybe not the best place to store your money, but it also puts you at risk to things that happen in your house, fire, theft. But I think there's some better opportunities here where we could explore what are some things that we can do to invest our money correctly. You've worked hard for that money, and we want to make sure that you take the time to put it to work and that your money is working for you. So let's jump down this and explore some timeless investing principles. First, let's focus on what you can control. Natural disasters, economic events, interest rate hikes, inflation, these are all things that are out of our control. While they might stress us out, let's do our best to put those out of our mind and focus on making sure that we have the right investments in the right portfolio for you. Secondly, let's put time on your side. Historically, the markets have rewarded long-term investors, and the bond market and equity markets have far outshined inflation for long-term investors. And while it might be difficult when those peaks and valleys show up, and those things that are beyond our control, make sure that you think and act as a long-term investor, even during those difficult times. Next, don't try to time the markets. While it's good to put time on your side, it is almost impossible to know when the market's at its very top or at its very bottom. So, instead of that approach, making sure that you have a portfolio that's developed for your unique needs, for your investment goals, is going to be the most important thing that you can do instead of trying to time that market. Next, you're going to want to tune out the noise and avoid that emotional roller coaster. If you're watching the news lately, sometimes it scares us. Sometimes it fills you with doubt, maybe a little anxiety. And those stories can sometimes scare even the most disciplined investor. So we want to make sure we avoid the emotional roller coaster that comes when those things that are beyond our control strike up. Making sure that we don't make emotional decisions that can wreak havoc on our long-term portfolio that we've designed to make sure that we reach our goals. Finally, let's understand all forms of risk. While your portfolio might lose value over time, it's not the only risk that can happen as an investor. Things that you want to consider are, what about inflation? What about living too long in retirement and outliving your money? It's a very real concern among many clients that I work with when we build our plans. Long-term healthcare. Needing healthcare as you get older can get expensive, and making sure that you plan for that in part of your retirement as well. Keep all these things in mind when you're building your retirement plan. So what can we do to make sure that we instill these timeless investing principles in your own life? At West Michigan Advisors, we'd love to help you build a goal plan. As a financial advisor, I feel building a goal plan for your investments and having a well-diversified portfolio are all the most important things that we can do for you. If you have one, fantastic. Make sure you review it at least annually. And if you would like a second opinion, feel free to reach out to us at West Michigan Advisors. We'd be glad to help you out. If you've never built a plan before, or you're not sure if your portfolio is diversified enough, we'd love to help you take a look at it, and we will give you our thoughts and make sure that it aligns with your goals and your risks that you're concerned with. Please reach out to us anytime. Our phone number is at the end of this video, and so is our website address. We would love to talk to you and help you make the right choices so that you can reach the goals for your hardworking money that you've earned. Thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing you on the investing trail.
Thank you for listening to First Take. We welcome your comments and questions. For your next steps, contact us at westmichiganadvisors.com. West Michigan Advisors, LLC is a registered investment advisor. Please visit our website, westmichiganadvisors.com, for important disclosures. The information has been obtained from sources considered to be reliable, but accuracy is not guaranteed. The views and opinions expressed are as of this date and are subject to change without notice. Further information is available upon request. Past performance does not guarantee future results. There can be no assurance the trends mentioned will continue. Investing involves risk, and you may incur a profit or loss. No investment strategy is guaranteed to be successful.